Welcome to Abu Dhabi Digital Asset Forum. It's an honor and a privilege to address you on behalf of ADGM. Today's forum focuses on digital assets and how they can open doors to opportunities. To that end, ADGM has spent the past several years carefully shaping a regulatory and business environment that empowers digital asset ventures to not only operate but thrive within and from our jurisdiction. Distinguished guests, together we can build a resilient and a dynamic ecosystem that drives economic growth and set global benchmarks for excellence in the transforming digital assets landscape. Last, I would like to thank you for your time and wish you a productive and inspiring forum. Thank you.